So yeah, you remember when I did the sharing food culture series? It was live, and I really enjoyed doing that, just talking to the people from different countries, um tasting the food and everything. So I've decided to do another series, but this is not a food series. This is a
Trip.
no, it's a sit down and talk series. So one of my most popular video on YouTube is when I shared my experience about being a black woman in Europe, in Switzerland. Sorry. And that video is the most popular and has been viewed over and over. And I think it just makes sense to share other people's story, because that's my experience, right? And although a lot of people agree with my experience, I would like to hear other people's experience. So I'm arranging this. I've been thinking about doing this for a while. Now it's official, it's gonna happen.